Taking a look outside, a few clouds out there, not as much sun as we had the last couple of days. So what does that all mean? Let's get to Craig Herrera. Look at the forecast moving into the weekend.
Yeah, you know those changes are coming, Joyce. Good evening to you. Yeah, and those clouds are going to continue to fill in, especially from the south, work their way up as the storm is working its way up from the south. We actually just reached 80 at SeaTac. We were at 79 for the longest time. Highs today, lots of upper 70s and low 80s. So we did it again. That's 5 times this month that we have reached the 80s. And on average, if you were with us yesterday, on average, we do that twice in the month of May. All right, so let's get you going with current temperatures. You see all those 80s and 70s right now, 60s along the coast. The sea breeze is starting to pick up a little bit. And the wind tomorrow is going to shift directions. At first, it's going to come in from the north, northwest. Then it's going to switch around, come in from the south. And I'll explain why in just a moment. Current temperatures, you can see the 60s and 70s right now as the clouds are starting to come on in. You can still see the mountain, though. The mountain is still out, looking out toward the Great Wheel. Sunrise tomorrow, 5:17, sunset at 8:57. It'll be rainy on and off throughout the day, and eastern Washington, if you'll be traveling there, you have family or friends there, pay attention because they're going to get pretty hard tomorrow with this system. As we look at Paradise, Mount Rainier, you can see some of the high thin clouds there, scattered showers and thunderstorms there tomorrow. Snowfall levels are way up at 11,000 feet, so mostly a rain event. Pause a moment with Craig. This is Augie, was looking out for birds and squirrels today and used his dad as a bench. Why not? 9 a.m. tomorrow, 57. Chance of showers by 3 p.m. Rainy and breezy. The rain is going to come and go. Here's Futurecast. 11:30 tomorrow morning. Take a look at eastern Washington. You can see between, say, 6 and noon, from Yakima to Wenatchee, all the way up to Omar, you're going to get some heavy rain. Now, as you look over to the western side, there's some rain coming through. We do get a bit of a break, and then by 5 p.m., it switches around. The winds switch around between 5 and 9 p.m., some heavy rain, potentially some thunderstorms within this. And those thunderstorms will produce cloud-to-ground lightning, small hail, gusty winds, and brief downpours, heavy downpours at that. Sunday, 5:30, the backside of this is coming through. The heavy rain comes through overnight again. By 9 o'clock, this starts to go over the Cascades. We could see some flooding there as well with a lot of the snow melt and the heavy rain. And then by the time we get to the afternoon, this thing is finally gone. So while it's a 48-hour system, it's going to have quite a punch with it. Rainfall totals by the end of tomorrow up to ½ inch of rain in many spots. And then by the end of Sunday, we'll add another ½ inch of rain. So by the end of the weekend, we're looking potentially at anywhere from 3/4 of an inch of rain to 1 inch of rain. Most spots, western Washington, will stay with mid-60s. And then as we go into next week, we'll start to see more in the way of sunshine and a bit of a break. So just be prepared this weekend. At times, it is going to be a little rough, especially with those thunderstorms. Where they pop up, when you hear that thunder, you know that you're going to get potentially some hail coming down for a good amount of time. So be safe out there tomorrow.
All right, thanks.
Okay, Craig, thank you.